Everyone loves Weekend, but you know, a watch company got inspired by the love of Weekend and named their brand after it. We all love Fridays. Why? Because the next 2 days are holidays. That's what this brand is telling us. Why can we not celebrate every day like it's a Friday? And hence the name SevenFriday. The watch we are talking about today has this unique TV-like shape that's become a bit of a trademark for them. This light as a feather watch has 4 layers. The first showcasing a cutout grid in a concrete grey hue. The sapphire crystal coated with anti-reflective layer on the inner side offers unobstructed views of the intricate detail. Powering this is the Automatic Miyota 82S5 engine. This also boasts a water resistance of 100 meter. This is a true inspiration from the Weekend. What are you waiting for? Go get your Weekend now.